Hello and welcome to a new Photoshop tutorial. I'm Andrei, and today I'm going to show you how to make this abstract painting-like manipulation in Photoshop. It's something that it's maybe intermediate, maybe a bit advanced for some users, but it's really nice, and I thought I would show you how to create this in Photoshop. You'll have everything that you need for this in the resources folder, which you can download from members.psdbox.com. And I'm using Photoshop CC 2018, but you can use any Photoshop version. Photoshop CS6 at least is recommended if you have it, but you can do this in pretty much any Photoshop version. I hope you'll enjoy this tutorial, and let's get started. So, like always, we're gonna start with the background. So I'm gonna select everything and go to Edit, Copy, Merge so I can see the canvas that I have. To the dog layer, to that wolf layer. And now I'm gonna do the same. Control I to invert and see the colors. Shift Control or Shift Command U to desaturate, and now Control or Command L to open the levels. Great. Now, one other thing I almost forgot is this texture over here. I got this image from unsplash.com as well, and I simply just cut this part like that and put it on top of the grass, clipped to the wolf layer, and set the blend mode to screen. Now, this will make the background go away, but not entirely, so I have to press Control Command L. You can see the graphic here. Just move this there, and you're done. Oops, sorry for zooming in and out that much. Okay, I'm gonna put that there and just duplicate it, flip it horizontally, and I'll leave it somewhere there, maybe a bit bigger, like that. Great. Now, the only thing we have left is the eyes here. I want to have the original eyes, but in a blue color. I don't want to have this weird effect. So that's why I needed the smart filters here, the smart object at the beginning. So you notice that here on the smart filter we have this layer mask. This layer mask is for the filters alone. So I can remove the effect on the eyes, because if I deactivate the filters, the dog has this normal look. That's why I used smart objects, and I can use this layer mask to remove this effect only on the eyes. So let's do that. I'm going to select the brush, reset my colors, select the layer mask of the smart filters, and paint with black. Let's increase the hardness a bit, and just paint over the eyes to remove the effect.